Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. So today we're gonna talk about what are those invisible bad habits and addictions that stop us from achieving our dream, and we'll have a close look upon those. Number first addiction I feel is phone addiction. Of course, in today's generation, I need not to tell you about how much we are attracted to phone and how much we all love our cell phones and we love to be around cell phones. But you need to keep in mind that you need to keep a track on your time, how much time you spend on phone, and was it productive enough. If you have spent your time on WhatsApp, then how much time was it chatting and how much time that was a complete meeting. So you need to keep a track on everything and you need to know that you are being productive or not. Of course, excuses are not allowed. Second number is entertainment addiction. In today's generation, either it be girls, boys, aged people, youngsters, everyone are addicted to any form of entertainment. If you are youngster, then you might be binge watching Netflix, YouTube, gaming videos, etc, etc. And if you are an old person, you might be love watching serials or news, etc. So something or another, everyone are addicted to entertainment. And guess what, this is a kind of addiction that we don't know we are addicted to. We love to watch serial, but we really don't know that we are addicted to that serial, and that serial is controlling our mood swings, which is the worst case of addiction I feel. I'm seeing down because I have noted it down and I really don't want to forget anything. So third one is carbohydrate and food addiction. So this is another very bad addiction I feel, because the amount of carbohydrate we consume by our dal, chawal, roti, sabzi, burgers, breads, etc, etc, anything which is controlled is really good for health. Roti, sabzi, dal, chawal in a controlled manner is really good for health. Of course, junk in controlled portion is not good for health, but then too sometimes out of happiness or celebration we can have some amount, but anything which is in large portion is not good for health, and carbohydrate in large portion is really not good for health. Another one is, that's a serious one and you need to hear it out loud, addiction to validation. Now I'll explain you what is this. Addiction to validation is that अगर आपको कोई बोलता है कि ये चीज़ अच्छी है, like oh you are doing this, you are very good, so you are addicted to hear this. You are addicted to hear that you are working according to the society, and this, my dear friend, is not good, because we are not here to validate overall. हम यहाँ पे इसलिए नहीं है कि हम सबकी ज़रूरतों को, सबकी चाहतों को पूरा कर सके. We are over here to listen to our heart, to listen to our mind, and to be ourselves. So please, my dear friend, do not be addicted to validation. It is always you who matters, and it will always be you who matters, along, of course, along with your parents. So please keep in that mind. Of course, the next one is gaming and gambling addiction. I need not to talk much about it because you all know how much young boys and girls are addicted to gaming, and gambling is also in huge amount in India, of course. Next one, I will say, I want to bring in this video, मैं आप सबको वो नहीं बताना चाहती जो आप लोग को ऑलरेडी पता है. The title of my video is addictions which are not known to us, and the next one is for all the girls who really don't know they are addicted to, is a shopping addiction. And all boys will relate to me for this one. When girls are in a bad mood, they want to shop. When girls in a happy mood, they want to shop. They have this shopping addiction. Even if they will have enough of clothes, enough of everything, they will go and shop. Whether it be fast fashion or anything else, they want to shop. And girls, this is not good for your health. I'm sorry to say, but this is really not good for your health. If you are in a bad mood, shopping can only give you relief for some time. After that, you will be in that stage again. And to come up from that stage, you need to cope up with your emotions. rather than just going and shopping for some time, wasting money, wasting resources of our earth, and wasting your emotions. So please, my dear girl, so next time if you are in a bad mood, please do not go and shop. Please do not go here and there to uplift your mood. Just go that deep into you. You need to feel yourself that why, where are you lacking, and just go and grab your emotions, be that strong girl and fight from the world. Next one is also for girls and boys and everyone, aunties, uncles, who are going through this, and you all really do need this, is an addiction to abusive relationship. So my dear auntie, uncle, and girls and boys, you do not need to live in an addictive and abusive relationship. Why? Because you are not made for this one. We live in India, right? So India mein, especially, this is a general case. I'm not saying that only girls and ladies are going through this. Of course, boys and uncles also sometimes go through it. But especially in India, बहुत सी महिलाएं और बहुत सी ऐसी लड़कियां हैं जिनको एक एब्यूजिव रिलेशनशिप की ना आदत सी पड़ जाती है. अगर आपका बॉयफ्रेंड और आपका हस्बैंड और एल्स आपके हस्बैंड एक बार आपको गलत बोल दे, या फिर लेट्स सपोज abusive is not always physically, it can be mental torture also. It कोई फॉर्म की गाली दे दे आपको आपके बॉयफ्रेंड या आपके हस्बैंड, so it is an abusive relationship. You are not here to listen those galis from your boyfriend or ex or husband, etc. Why? Because it can create a lot of mental trauma in your head. एक बार अगर आपने उनको जवाब दे दिया ना, I swear you girls and ladies, you need not to be addicted to these things. Because अगर एक बार उनको हिम्मत मिल गई तो वो ये चीज़ हर बार 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 दोहराएंगे, which is not good for you. So keep in mind that your girl is always with you. So I have talked about so many addiction today, but the thing is it okay to be in those addictions? और अगर हम 10 साल से इस चीज़ से एडिक्टेड है तो हम इस चीज़ से बाहर आ सकते हैं या नहीं? कैन वी गो कम आउट ऑफ दिस एडिक्शन? कैन वी completely transform of our life like the one who did in the monk who sold his Ferrari or the 5 a.m. club? Of course, yes. पैसे कमाने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती, खुश रहने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती, ज़िंदगी बदलने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती. And this, my dear friends, I am over here to transform your life. And if you enjoyed today's video, please carry on with my other videos, and I'll be back soon with other video and bring a big smile on your face. Till then, bye bye, enjoy. Love from Simran Jain.